Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to show you how I make a quick tuna fish sandwich. So come on with me, guys. Now we know that as the weather starts getting warmer, we try not to eat anything too heavy and just try to keep it light. And so that's what I'm doing today. Okay, so quick and easy meals is such an easy collaboration. You can make pretty much anything and even go out to eat. So we can make breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert. We can barbecue, okay, go outside and grill. We can even make smoothies, guys. Whatever it is that you create, we'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. Now, Quick and Easy Meals is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have Jean Home Decor and More, and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. So we're using some tuna fish. We're using some Duke's mayo. I also got some pickles, some onions, and we're going to start mixing this up in the bowl. So this is actually the first time I'm chopping up the pickles and putting them in the tuna fish. My son happened to like this the other day, and added a little bit of salt and pepper. Like I said, that Duke's mayo. Mix that up together. Toast some keto bread, and we are done with this meal. So I'm leaving you to listen to a little bit of music, and I'll see you at the end of the video. All we need is some chips and a nice drink, don't you think? Let's head on over to the reveal. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank Jean Home Decor and More and Deborah Cabasa Home Living for hosting this collaboration with me. I would love for other people to join us because we have an amazing time here. And both of them, content creators, are amazing. You need to go and check out their channel. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.